In 2024, question 2 started with this stem and leaf. We're told there's a group of 22 students and they were tested to see how far in meters they could swim without stopping for a rest. And the results are shown here. So this could be a 0, 1 or a 2. Just at a quick glance, that could be an 8 and 9. This could be a 1, a 2, a 3 or a 4. And this number is between 1 and 5, or it could be 1 or 5. So the mode is 34, so the most common is 34. We have one of them, we have two of them. We also have two 57s, so therefore A has to be 4, otherwise we've no mode. So A is equal to 4. The range is 49, so the highest minus the lowest. The highest here could be 68, or it could be 69. And then what would that make B? Well, for the range to be 49, we can't have it at 68 because we would have to take off too much. So 69 minus 20 will work. I think that's the only option that works here. So B is equal to 0. Then we have the median is 43.5, so that means they're all whole numbers. It has to be the division of two numbers, or the division of one number to give a half. So they're going to add up to 87, the two numbers that give the median. And we have 22 students, so we need to take the 11th and the 12th, which would leave 10 before and after. So the 10th, the 11th and 12th, 3, 11 and 12 look like these two. So we have 45. So to get 87, the other one has to be 42. So that means that D is equal to 2. Nice easy start to paper 2. Next part, 7 of the 22 students took swimming lessons and they were retested to see how they could swim without stopping. So for this person, they swam 22 meters, took lessons, and then they were able to swim 25. 34 went to 40. And at the bottom, 61 went to 350. And we're asked to describe in words how the results changed from these students from the initial test to the retest. Anytime you're asked to say something in words, using math might help. The improvement here was 3 meters. So the percentage improvement, 3 meters. Over the initial 22 meters times 100 would be the percentage improvement for the least amount on the first test. And this guy here improved by 250, 289, 250 plus 39 over 61 times 100. And this will show the two different improvements at the very bottom and the very top. It kind of looks like exponential improvement when you look at the graph. We could also look at the line of best fit maybe and have it as positive correlation between the more you could swim initially meant that if you took lessons, the more you could swim at the end. So 2 sentences maybe and 2 maths parts to help you with this question. This one gives 13.63, actually 13.6% improvement. The other one is a quadrupling, nearly 289 divided by 61. Will be a 473% improvement. So I talk about the more they swam at the beginning, after lessons, the more they could swim at the end. In the last part, we've correlation coefficient, so you guys should know how to put this into your calculator. 9145 when I put all the values in for the 7 people in stats mode on the calculator.